You guys ready for something special? Right, everyone. So my brother, have you? What? Nah, you can still be in it. Well, okay. Well, have you voicing over everything? Sorry, everyone. It's very late. It's actually 11 o'clock right now. It's not very late, but it's late. But my brother has been quite busy today. He's spent the afternoon/evening getting all of his parts downstairs so we can take a picture of everything here, and then we can actually like get everything ready, blah blah blah. And he's gonna take something outside as well. So he's getting everything ready, getting his inventory ready, so that when we give it over to SR Autobodies, they'll basically be able to know exactly what they've got from us. I think you guys should just look around and see everything we've got going on right now. This is just Candyland. Okay, biggest ones right now. These are the Rays, bro. Hit it. What one? 57 CRs.
19 ET12 10.5.
Okay, so that's all four of them brand new. My brother's got crazy ass bits. Like he's literally got crazy bits. Like that's a brand new windscreen.
Cowl cover.
Yep, that. I'm not gonna even bother trying that. Okay, this is a massive collection of little bits and pieces, just to show you some of the brand new bits. So, brand new GTR emblem. We actually picked these up in Omari when we were in Japan. Brand new Nismo radiator cap. There, radiator cap. Brand new shift knob. There's a Nismo clutch. There are his brand new xenon headlights. That's another little bit. Okay, to kind of show you just how much detail my brother has gone into, I'm gonna kind of come over here. So these are brand new reservoir tank and things like that, but brand new stalk over here. And this I find this to be quite funny. So he's even gone ahead and gone brand new plastics for the door trims, bits and pieces like that. There's just so many parts here. Bro, what's this? I see Nismo.
Nismo clutch rolls.
Okay. This is necessary. What's inside this?
New Series 3 cylinder console.
This.
On the dash cover.
These.
Outside door trim panel pieces.
What, the ones at the bottom?
Now between the window and the door itself, there's a strip of us.
That's crazy. Okay, Nismo mats, floor mats. What's that Nismo thing? That door sills.
For the doors.
I know you said those are the wheel bearings. What's this? Oh, how could we not open this box up earlier? That's candy right there. That's genuine candy. So that's the fan. You know what? Okay, yeah. Looks like a weird pattern, doesn't it? I forgot what this is. Brand new engine wiring loom. Plus. Okay, that's all that in there. Just speak louder. Make sure you speak louder, just in case they can't hear you. Yeah, my bad. So brand new wheel guards, our trim, brake duct. I'm guessing.
More rubber seals on the doors and stuff.
So that's the under tray. That's the bonnet.
One insulator. Yes, fine.
Oh, this is actually quite sick. Although it's not gonna stay that color. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna take it out. Ugh! Oh, okay, it's much harder to take out. I love it. You guys have seen this already. What's this? I didn't want to take it all completely out, but you guys can see what this is. That's some of the boxes that everything came in. I think these are more, what is this, wheel bearings? Front wheel bearings, okay. And what's this? You know what, might as well just get you to list everything. What's this? God damn! That's gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna get him to list every piece. If you guys really want to see that, if you guys really want to see a list of every piece that he's got so far for the car, I'll ask him for all the part numbers and everything like that. We'll probably create like a PDF or something like that, or an Excel spreadsheet. So if anyone else does want to order any of these parts brand new, then at least you have the part number to go to Nissan with. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. So I'm gonna just look around a little bit and just take this all in now, and then later on we're gonna actually pack all this back up into boxes and get it ready to put into the van that we've got hired out, which we're gonna then drive tomorrow morning over to Steve and gonna look at some work progress on that. Funny because I'm actually also editing the Japan video right now, which hopefully you guys would have already seen up live, so make sure you guys check that out on my channel as well. But yeah, let's look around. So here we are, the van is packed. We also got the diffuser in here, exhaust downpipes and a couple of other bits from the garage, but that is it. Alright, time to pack it away, get some breakfast, and let's head out.
This is one of the early ones.
Look how excited they are over wiring.
This is an early one.
What about the good thing?
It's the same loom, just they did a different. This is an OE one, what they call the OE. So this is what you want, OE plus.
Yeah.
Then they do the braided one.
Okay.
They
It
look,
actually looks like it's suiting one.
it's a nice car.
Yeah, it is. I think you might edit the photos a little while wiring. I want to put the aircon fan in there as well.
Because this at the minute, I've noticed with fingerprint marks, this is raw.
Yeah.
So this will change colour.
This is nice.
Right, or you can have this now clear coated with seal.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I really hope that these aren't.
It's not made that little paper gasket. Yes, they have dowels to keep it. Satin colour, isn't it? Yeah, shiny. Right, there's a little thing with this stuff.
Oh yeah, no number plate. No, nothing here has a number plate.
Yeah, I know. No number plate, might crap.
Oh yes,
Hasn't got
the awesome broom.
yeah, hasn't got the plate on it yet.
I like how you've covered it up so nicely as well.
Yeah, you know when you have a car where it hasn't got servo assist, or you know, like when you jump in the car and it's not running, you just wait.
I was thinking to myself.
But they do look.
Yeah, it looks very
And
tight.
it neatens up. Yeah.
Yeah, we could have properly looked at it last time, but man. Sit, you know what? Have you sat in the seat? It's surreal how comfortable it is.
Seems like they look so uncomfortable and sitting in it, as long as they look horrible when you're in them like that.
You want to take all of this? Yeah, just in case.
Major work. Major work going on to this one. It's one of the original top secret ones. Do you need help pushing it? Oh, that just sounds so weird to listen to.
Yeah, so I shot.
Yep, I just realized.
Bye-bye. Oh my god.
You want to jump in, bro? Yeah? You want to?
Black. Old, yeah, but yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
If they're already rusting out there, I can't trust it. Right? And if that's the primer that they put on the area you can see, that's the care that they give you for what you can see.
This will be woody. Look up pretty woody.
I'm guessing this is on there too.
I mean, unless you're sure. Yeah. Tastes like.
Yeah, that's nasty, but luckily, if you caught someone off, that's perfect. So we can get it back.
Every time like I looked at one spot and I was like, what's the animal? What's the animal?
Realise
I wouldn't mind getting rid of this.
Cool, glad you told me because I was going to say, do you want it gone?
Yeah, sorry.
It's a good time to get rid of it,
Yeah.
basically.
If you're taking the quarter
So it is.
watch your back. And then shoot.
Oh my!
Stop knobs, and then we look through black.
Black again.
Oh, and the arches are rusting that fuck.
Remember, I saw that on the outside of it and I said to myself, oh, such a good look. Am I trying to fix my record?
That's just Nissan making crap cars. Overlapping like mad.
Could you get bigger terminals for this car as well? This is the Japanese one.
Yes, I've got that actually top that actually does factory things.
Still sounds good. There's not a lot of smoke anymore.
I can actually tell from
You can
looking.
literally
Can you see now
Yeah,
how
I can
far
actually
up
see how
the floor is? Because these should be proud.
Yeah.
They should be. One does that, like that, and yours, both see. And this,
Yeah.
like that is actually going to be quite a bit of a jig job to pull down. That one's in the price, mate. That's fine. Because how I see it, instead of nudging around in areas, cut the floor, seal, roof. Like sometimes doing things like that.
I love how much you have to bend over to stand underneath
Yeah,
this
you're
car.
right.
Yeah, I'm like, well, this is.
And sometimes it's easier to do a lot than smart repairs. The rear quarter work though will be an issue.
No.
But what I do is
Yeah. No, I knew that would be extra.
Look, that's
that's them there. You see what I mean?
Oh,
the clip.
Right, this is what Paul Cheshire is after. They're like rocking all shit.
Yes.
They all look like that.
Yeah.
I might have one that's immaculate.
Okay.
I've got one.
If it's available.
Just sorted one for man, I'll sort one for you. If it's for my resto car, I'll sort you one out.
Yeah, thank you.
Because hang on. You want to see what one looks like in the new glass and comes up?
I saw one on the side over there. But I think
From the way you laughed about it, I don't think it's in good condition. Like,
That's what happens. You see how the rust one will stay.
science
I
experiment.
want to see if it stays sealed.
Science.
Because obviously it's so rusty, I want to see how it seals up.
See, I've actually had a ride a car like this before.
Have you not?
No, not problem. Well, I have when I'm lying on the floor.
Yeah, but that's different.
Yeah.
Very
This
different.
is how I can spot that a mile away now.
Yeah, but when you're on the floor, that
Yeah.
side's actually worse. The driver's is higher.
Oh yes, it is.
Right, actually the driver's is buckled.
So everyone, as I'm ending this video right now, I thought I'd add a quick clip here just to talk about everything. So the car was in a really bad shape from when we first went down, a lot worse than what Steve originally thought the car was at. So it's good that it's with him. He can really invest the time in bringing that car up to 100%. And trust me when I say it's going to be crazy. Make sure you do subscribe to see more updates about the car from me. If you want to see more live updates and stuff like that, then follow my brother on his Instagram account. I'll put the name just here. And you can also follow Steve at his Instagram account, which I'll put just there. But yeah, it's pretty amazing to see the car go through such a restoration. In the next couple of months, we'll probably start doing the interior, which I will be taking forward on myself. As well as I'm going to be starting to do all the work to the E30 now as well. It's pretty hard work doing all these things at the same time and updating all the vlogs and everything like that, so be patient with me. As you guys can probably see in the corner just there, I have a lot of computer equipment coming. It's purely to speed up my timescales when I'm editing videos. My laptop is a brilliant laptop. It's gotten me through to this point so far, but I just want to speed up how quickly I'm able to edit videos and things like that and get them to a better and higher quality. So I have all this equipment coming this way just to get better footage and everything like that, and to get better end results from it. I am trying to take YouTube a bit more seriously now. I do really want to see some growth in the channel. I'm so close to 1,500 subscribers right now. It's gonna be really weird watching this clip later on in the future and being like, oh, I was only at 100. Nah. But yeah, so a lot more work is coming with the 30. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see some of the things that I'm up to right now, because yeah, like I said, vlogs a little bit delayed. Instagram is gonna be a bit more on time. But for now guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.